All right, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be practicing pitching right now. Okay, Jade. Yeah, pitching. So my accuracy with it, I'm practicing. Windy out here. That was a good cast. That was a good pitch. That's all right. Oh crap! This tree. It's a little short. Trying to figure out where else. Still a little short. I want to get right up to the next to that tree. Still a little short. It's catching the tree every time, the line. Still short. This tree up above me is getting me messed up. That was better. Still short every time. This tree, man. Still short. The fuck? This tree's pissing me off. Alright, there, that was better. More where I wanted it. I'm gonna try casting next to that bush now. Still short. I don't know if it's because this bait caster's set up like too tight with the. What, Jade? Okay. I'm trying to set this up now. Yeah, it should be good. This tree is really proving to be a problem right above my head. There we go. It's like stopping my cast short, and it's not allowing me to get as much distance as I can get. That was better. That was like right in the center of the bush. Not necessarily where I wanted to go. That was a little short from where I wanted. That's okay. Now we're gonna try that big stick sticking out of the ground that's going up. A little short. This tree again above me is. Oh, that was. What a fell. That was close. That was close too. I'm trying to get it like right up against it. It's like, dude, this tree above me, man. It's a problem. It's stopping my cast short every single time because I keep hitting it. And that's short. There we go. That was like perfect. That's all right. It's a little short. A little short. This tree above me again is just getting me angry. I'm gonna try switching an angle up. I'm gonna try to hit for that tree now. There we go, that was good. A little short. A little short again. That was good. See, I do better when that branch isn't above my head, stopping my pole every time, which it just did again right now. That was good. That was all right. That was all right. Yeah, I'm just practicing this with a 6 ounce Bodega on right now, and I think this is a 3/8 ounce bullet weight. That was perfect. I like that. That was good. That. I'm gonna try over here, this bush. It's a little close, but that was perfect. That was in the center of the bush. That was good. I'm a little close. I've never fished like, well, that tree again, dude. I've never fished too much on a boat, so I've been like landlocked my whole life. I'm trying to get a boat next year. There we go. That was good. So I don't know exactly the distance that you're supposed to pitch from. This seems a little short, but possible still if you're on the water. Like where I'm at right now. Gonna hit that tree right behind it. That was good. I'm gonna try to get, yeah, that was good. That's where I wanted it. Try in between. There we go. That was good. Try one-handed. That was good. One-handed. I'm gonna try one-handed again. That was good. Oh, they hit the branch. That was good. It's a lot of fun too, even though you're not actually fishing, like you're just practicing, it's still fun. Anyone can do this. You just grab a rod, like a bait caster, and go out and to your backyard and start pitching at targets. It's fun. I don't know how long I've been doing it already on this video, but it feels like somewhere around 8-10 minutes, something like that maybe. I'm not sure, but it's fun. Either way, it's fun. I like one-handed pitching a lot too. That's fun. I'm gonna try to hit that bush now. Keep hitting it. That was good. That was good. That was good. That was good. I'm gonna try this tree. I just got stuck up there. Try this tree. That's good. That's good. Try the left side of the tree. Nice. Left side of the tree again. Good. This branch is in the way of my rod. That's good. Try this bush again. Good. Try this tree. A little short. Try this tree. A little short. It was still would have worked. That's short too. Yeah. That was good, right where I wanted it. Let's try this tree again. It's a little farther. Try it one-handed. A little short. A little short. All right, that's good. Try this bush again. Good, right where I wanted it. I hope this doesn't rip my lure, destroy my line. Before I go fishing, I'm definitely gonna have to retie because this thing's been touching a lot of stuff. Though it is fluorocarbon, so I don't know. That's good. I'm gonna try backing up again. Try one-handed again. Oh, it hit the top of the thing. That was good. I like one-handed pitching a lot. Gotta get used to two-handed pitching. That was a little... Though the thing is, I think when you're two-handed pitching, I feel like you can get a little bit more distance. I think that was good. Like that. Short. One-handed. Nice, right where I wanted it. Almost where I wanted it, a little short. This branch above me is giving me problems still when I stand here. That was right where I wanted it. I'm gonna go back to one-handed. That was right where I wanted it. Right where I wanted it. A little short. I'm gonna try to hit this tree again. One-handed. A little short, one-handed. Let's try two-handed. Yeah, you definitely get more distance, I feel like, with two-handed pitching. That was good, right where I wanted it. All right, that was good. All right, so I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys watched, that was a little practice session. It was fun. Thanks for watching if you watched.